Hey everybody, I'm back. I'm really sorry that I've been gone for a long time, but it's been about 3 weeks since we've been back at Muncie. I think it was 3 weeks. I think it was 3 weeks. But we're going back to the Virtual Railfan spot in Muncie. It's east of Muncie, I think. So without further ado, enough talking. Roll the interview this time. Here we go. Where's my binoculars at? Alright, here we go. Roll it. Never mind. Yes, it is! Yes, sir! Yes, I feel alright. Oh, how about that? Roll it, here we go, boys. CSX intermodal rule. Okay, so the video is muted because some guy asked me if he can have my iPad. Okay, anyways, back to the train video. Roll it. What the freak? I'm gonna get the heck out of here, guys. That guy's like creeping me out. Yeah. Heck no. That guy was creeping me out. He said he wanted my iPad. What the freak? But awesome train all the way. How about that? That guy was really weird. It's okay though. There's a lot of weird people in Muncie and stuff. Hey, those cars are in stop line district. Beautiful day here in Muncie. Long on train, bro.
That guy was weird as hell. What the freak? Okay, we'll see you guys on the next train video. It might be in Norfolk Southern. So I'm gonna go tell my dad what happened and then we'll go and I'll go check over there. Roll it. Awesome, everybody, awesome. How about that? There she goes, CSX SD70M. Awesome train crew, by the way. I kind of wanted him to do the
I mean, he kinda. No.
Alright, here's the next train video. Might be NS. Roll it. Didn't do it. Dang it. Gave me a weird look, by the way. At the end. Alright, everybody, that might be for today. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Hey, Dad. Dad. One more leave? Which one? Alright, here's the train video. Roll it. Hey, everybody, that'll be it for today. I'm very hot. A little too hot. Yeah, you can see I'm literally sweating right now. But, thank you guys so much for watching, and like always, Dad? Whatever, he's not. God bless. Bye.